Ahoy there! Do you spend a lot of time researching rules and regulations? For example, trying to figure out how much fuel EU will impact your vessel operations? Are you tired of not getting ship-specific information and reading all kinds of different things without getting instant help? Well, if the answer is yes, you do get tired from not having the right support, then the Sailor membership might be something for you. What we offer our members is ship-specific information on regulations and cost impact for your vessel, getting budget quotes from suppliers so that you can get a nice overview to compare different options, and downloading everything that we build, plus requesting downloads for us to make so we can do research for you. And finally, to top it off, we also offer members the Sustainability Hotline. Let me show you what it all means. When you become a sailor, we will input your ship data into all our models. For example, the decarbonizer. Instead of having ship-specific types, in this case, if we go to ship properties, the Nord Inspiration, it will be your vessel here with regulations for your vessel, your CII calculated, everything you want, plus of course a nice cost overview based on your ship types. So you don't have to do anything, only give us your ship information once, and then everything we build here in the decarbonizer will be ship specific for you. So that, most importantly, you can ask suppliers for a budget quote. Who trusts these kinds of cost estimations? Of course, we speak to suppliers a lot, so we're pretty sure they're close, but you always want to know for sure. So we offer members the ability to ask for budget quotes at our suppliers, our supply network that is constantly growing, so you get the latest price information that you can bring to your board or to have your own investment decisions made. And not just that, and for this tool, we also build a lot of other tools that you can actually make your very own analysis. Let me show you. When you become a sailor, you get access to our exclusive sailor page that you can see here, and everything that we build you can freely download. So for example, the Fuel EU Maritime Excel sheet, we have the web-based calculator, but if you press download Excel, whoop, there we go, even twice in a row you can download all the things that we make and continue your own analysis so that you have everything in your hands under your control. And then there's one final thing, in case you just need some additional help for whatever it is that you need, and that's the Sustainability Hotline. Life can be hard, especially when it comes to regulations and sustainability. It is very complex. So at any time during your journey, when you need our help, you can contact the help desk. There we go, bald guy in a blue suit. You can ask for help. That's it. And then we can simply go to our Sustainability Hotline and give you a call. There we go. At any time, we're just one click away and you can ask us for any help that you need. All this and more can be yours if you become a sailor. Sign up today to our Sailor membership in order to make your life easier. Thank you for your time and have a great day.